Most people treat AI like a slot machine. You type in a prompt, pull the lever, and cross your fingers hoping for a decent response. It is a completely passive, mechanical way to work. We are going to break that habit today by building Lead Pilot. This is a persistent, fully autonomous AI agent that works around the clock without you having to constantly feed it instructions. Lead Pilot acts as your dedicated outreach manager. It monitors your database for leads, drafts and sends introductory emails, logs the interaction into your CRM, and texts a summary directly. Connecting different apps usually means wrestling with fragile API setups and long automation chains that break the second a data format changes. We are bypassing all of that backend configuration. Instead of writing code, we use natural language programming inside a platform called Base44. You simply describe the job in plain English, and the system handles the infrastructure and logic behind the scenes. True automation happens when you stop building rigid drag-and-drop workflows and start giving an agent the linguistic framework it needs to operate independently. This is the Base44 dashboard. To start, click the Get Your Super Agent button and type Lead Pilot into the naming field. Next, we give the agent its first command. Tell it, "You are my lead management agent. Connect to my lead flow application here in Base44 and monitor its entities." Give the system a moment to locate the application. Look for the Connected and Loaded confirmation message on your screen. Do not move forward until you see this. Now we give our agent the ability to act in the real world. Navigate over to the left sidebar, click the brain icon, and open the Integrations menu. This screen shows the Google integration process, which is where most setups fail. When you connect Gmail, you must tick all the specific checkboxes on this permission screen. If you miss these, the agent cannot view your messages or send emails on your behalf. Next, connect HubSpot. A login window will appear. Sign in, select your specific lead flow account, and click Choose to finalize the connection. Finally, go to the Channels tab to add WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your desktop and send the provided activation code directly to the Base44 agent. It will reply with a quick welcome message to confirm the link. By authorizing Gmail, HubSpot, and WhatsApp, your agent has the tools it needs. It reads your data and executes real business actions across your company. This flow diagram maps our agent's core rules. Check the lead entity every 5 minutes, isolating qualified leads. Then define exact actions. When found, use Gmail to send a personalized message, create a HubSpot task, and directly notify you on WhatsApp with a summary. Manual follow-ups rely on your energy, which runs out. This synthetic scout catches opportunities around the clock, even offline. Standard bots forget your preferences over time and require constant reprogramming. We fix this by injecting permanent memory into the system. Open your agent's memory settings. Type in a strict rule. Whenever you draft an email, never use the word delighted. Keep the tone professional but concise, and always include my meeting link in the signature. Entering this instruction forces an override of the agent's baseline behavior. It permanently writes this standard operating procedure into its core logic. Every correction you add becomes part of the system. The agent stops acting like a temporary chat and becomes a trained operator that learns your specific business rules. Before we step away, we have to test the full loop. Submit a test lead inside your lead management app. Make sure to use your own email address as the contact info so you can verify the outbound message. Open the Tasks sidebar in Base44. Find the sequence we just built and click the play icon to manually run it for the first time. Look at your screens. You immediately receive a WhatsApp summary notification on your phone, while a perfectly formatted introductory email lands right in your inbox. Seeing both of those messages arrive confirms our logic works. The system is solid, and you can trust it to take over the process. Lead Pilot is now fully operational. From this point forward, it runs that exact sequence every 5 minutes, 24 hours a day, without you ever touching it. This map illustrates the autonomous architecture you built. Your tools are connected into one unified system. Data moves from your app to your email and phone on its own. The work happens invisibly, delivering results directly into the channels you already use. You have to stop thinking about AI as a search bar. Start treating it like a specialized employee that you train once and leave to do the heavy lifting. The tools to completely productize your operations are sitting right in front of you. It's time to decide: build a self-sustaining business or keep pulling the lever, hoping for a good response.